everyone, welcome to my Airsoft channel. Today I'll be reviewing this gun. It is the G18 by Cyma, and this gun is not very realistic because it's electric, it has no blowback, and it's all plastic. The battery is inside here. You can remove the barrel by pressing this button over here. This is the inside part. This is the battery. You can remove it by pressing this. And here you got the fire selector. This is semi-automatic. This is fully automatic. But it's not ambidextrous. On this side you have no fire selector. This is the safe. Okay, if you pull it down, it's safe on. If you pull it off, it's no safe. It's again, this is not an ambidextrous safe because on this side it's fake. So this cap will be red, but I have painted it. And one thing I like very much about this gun is the sights, because they are painted in white. So it's very useful because it's easy to aim. It's not very powerful or accurate, but it's awesome if you want to play some small airsoft battles in your garden with friends. Of course, you have to use protective glasses, but it's pretty fun to use, and it's also very cheap. It's about 65 bucks if you want it. And okay, there my friend is setting some targets.
Okay.
And we'll try some shooting. Okay, let's try the fully automatic mode. Okay, I'm out of ammo. So this is the mag. Here you got the mag release button on here. Okay, you press it and the mag comes out. This gun comes with a BB loader, so it's easy to load the mag. And so this is a not very realistic gun, not very powerful, not very good for real airsoft battles, but it's fun if you don't want to spend very much, but you want to play some airsoft or some shooting in your garden. Rate the video, like, favorite, subscribe my channel, and check out my other channel as well. Thank you.